Hello, it's Cassie here with Trinity Stamps, and I'm so excited to be sharing a product release video for the Sweet Shop release. Today we're going to be taking a closer look at the Trinity Stamps Love Dani paper collection, which is a 6x6 paper pad. It is a total of 12 different double-sided designs from illustrator Love Dani. The paper pad contains 2 of each pattern for a total of 24 sheets, and they are all awesome. And if I hadn't already delved into it, I would show you all of them just right up in front here rather than flipping them as I go. But aren't those beautiful patterns? And how can you go wrong with rainbows? Am I right? So let's take a look at a couple of cards I made using the paper pad collection here. There's one using some hugs and kisses, and then this one is part of a background. And now let's take a look at a card that one of our design team members made as well. So be sure to check out all that Trinity Stamps has going on over on their blog, Facebook page, and Instagram for more crafty inspiration. Thanks for stopping by, and I hope you have a great day.